All right, guys, I'm just finishing up editing a video about the 82, and it's a lot of decent content, but it's all over the place. So I don't want to scrap the videos. I want you guys to get the updates on it. So I'm going to post it anyway, but just know that I didn't really plan the video. It's, you'll see. It's worth watching, but it just jumps around a lot. So I'm just making this intro now that's after everything. And the pace car kind of got me thinking about that instead. Obviously, I'm excited to have that. But the 82 is still going. I'm still gonna do it. I'm still excited about it. But it's just easier to be excited about a car you can drive. And it's already nice, already get attention at shows. And I don't know, it's done already, but it still needs work. So these cars always take your attention more, but the 82 is coming, and you'll see that in this video that I've actually been doing quite a bit. It's just kind of, when I got back from the trip, I was tired and it took me a few days to catch up on sleep. And that's pretty much where it's at. So I hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments. And I'm sorry that I jumped around so much, but enjoy the video. First box for the Fox body. Let's see what Letty says. There's mine.
That's my milk.
Look at mine.
What did you order?
It's big, huh?
Peek.
You're gonna peek?
Oh, I think I know.
What is it?
Oh, I can have open it. Oh, your teeth. Can you help me open this?
Letty's just car parts.
Oh.
Should be 2 fenders. Judging by the box, they're probably beat up. So we'll see. But anyways, has new front fenders. Well, I found a roof skin for the 82 out of this car that's been cut in half and welded into 2 out here at one of my favorite places to be. But there's like no rust at all in this, which is so rare. I'm getting it for only 300 bucks, but I got to cut it off. I didn't know the side windows was in it. So I got Don here with me. We're about to cut this thing off with all these fun gadgets and gizmos. I'm sure we got to take these windows out quick first, which doesn't look fun. So I'm trying not to break everything. But yeah, we'll video some of it maybe, but it's pretty hot out here and I'm trying to get done. So we'll see how it goes. Well, we brought some tools, but not no screwdrivers. I thought that the panels were out. I don't want to break anything because I'm not that kind of guy. So he went up to get a screwdriver, but I don't know what people are doing with this car. It looks like they replaced something here. And then the front half is one car and the back's the other. So I don't know if they wanted to save the sunroof or they're VIN swapping something. I don't know, but they were gonna seam it there and here. And I don't know about the floor. Kind of weird. Looks like that's where they did, right at the seam of the floor. Kind of weird. What? It's an 83 front. I don't know what the back is, but I don't really care because the roof is in such good shape. But we got to get these side windows out and then we'll just cut it right there and it should be pretty easy. I think I'm going to leave these till last just so it has somewhat stability when I cut the back. So we're just waiting for him to bring the screwdriver back and then we'll be good. Did it already eat the blade? Wow. Which means I can't get the... This side's free. There it is, boys. We try not to break the glass, but I didn't bring enough tools to take them out nice. So we ended up shattering both, but they were tinted, so it's not a huge mess. Got it off. Show you how nice a shape it's in. It's literally no rust at all. It's pretty nice. So that's a win. So now we're gonna walk around and see what else we find. It's this place you can never walk around long enough. All right, guys, we got it back. Made it okay. Well, the Raptor did some work again, but now we're gonna have to grind all the stuff off, find the pinch welds, because I'm just using the top. I'm not using the bottom. That's all that rusts is the top. So same with here. You gotta follow all these and drill all the pinch welds, because we're not gonna cut the car. I don't know how many of you have done this, but there's pinch welds in here too, so it'll just be the top shell. If you guys know much about these sunroofs in these cars, they all rust literally in the same spot. They always rust right here. I have more rust than that, but even nice cars have rust there. This one's pretty toast all the way around. So I'm not gonna do the bottom frame unless we get the top off and it looks like I need to. But that's where we're at now. My buddy bought a notch back and the guy threw in floorboards for it, halves, which my center's in really good shape. So I shouldn't have to do the tunnel. So I'm gonna try to hook up a deal with him and get those. So those might be cheap. The roof was only $300, which I thought was cheap. I'm not sure if they make a reproduction. I didn't even look. So I got new fenders. They were $200, $300 for the roof, so we're at $500, whatever the floor is. So it's coming together. I'm gonna find quarters for it too, but it shouldn't be too bad. So that's where we're at right now, and we're gonna keep moving on it. All right, guys, we got the top back here at the shop. It's been a couple days. You just seen me pick up that pace car. We're still gonna finish the 82, of course. I didn't just buy a nice one to drive. We're gonna restore it still. I gotta figure out how to get the sunroof out. My buddy thinks it's pretty easy, so I'm just gonna listen to what he told me. And then also, I ordered TMI covers for the new pace car already, because that car is really nice. So we're gonna redo the seats out of the 82, since the cushions and the thing smell like mice bad, and the pace car has decent seats. I think I'm gonna put the decent seats in the 82, and if I do the car as nice as I think I will, I'll buy either the covers or I'll have someone take the back seat material in the middle and put it on the bottom of the pace cars, because then it'd be all original, really nice seats all the way around. So right now I'm gonna take the sunroof out. I gotta drill all the spot welds along the edges and split this. We gotta get the roof skin off the frame because I'm not doing the whole thing. I'm only gonna do what's rusty, which is the sunroof frame itself and then the roof skin. So I don't think I need the whole frame. So we're gonna start getting it apart. So that's what we're doing now. All right, guys, I got this in the mail today. It's for the 82 also. If you notice, I'm kind of doing a lot to it right away. It's not sitting around. In an update, some of you are asking why I'm not doing my high school car, the 81, which is in way better shape. Why I haven't started on that yet is because I haven't got the title yet. The guy is not screwing me around. He's just a truck driver. He told me when I bought it, it'd take a while, and I told him that's fine. So that's why I haven't started on it. I don't work on cars until I have the title. So that's where we're at with that. And yeah, so this is for the 82. Pretty hard to find. Pretty excited I found them for the price that I did. And this is one of 2 sets because one of my buddies in town has, you'll see. I'll talk once they're open. Look at that, boys. If you have an 82, you know these are worth money. So, but this fog light's in good shape. Really good shape. This one must be, one of them's damaged. So a friend of mine had an 85 GT. When he sold it, the kid was LS swapping it, so he kept the fog lights out of it. And he sold them to me dirt cheap, but I haven't got those ones yet. And the covers for them are the gray ones, which came on the 85, 86. These came on the 82. So I needed the covers. I got such a deal that I just bought the lights. And one of these lights is broke. So I still need my buddies anyway. And I'm going to keep whatever lights are the best shape, best condition. And here's the other one. Man, these are in good shape. For the covers anyway. Yeah, see, this one's broke. The glass is broke. It's kind of leaking out too. So we'll leave that in there, but these are what I was after. These are in good shape, really good shape. And I wanted the white ones for, that's what came on the 82, the covers. So I got one good light, no cracks, really nice shape. And then this one's cracked, but I paid $130 for these shipped to my door. So it's a pretty good deal. My buddy in town hooked me up with his set with the gray covers for $100 cash. So that's a really good deal. So whatever 2 lights are in the best shape I'm using, and then I'm going to make some money back selling the other 2. I'm going to hook someone up like these guys did, but just get a little bit of my funds back. Hopefully get these for free. So that's where I'm at. And if any of you need the gray covers, hit me up because I'll be selling the covers off his car because I don't want the gray ones. And if you guys could use 1 light and 1 for parts, I got that for sale too. So hit me up. Figured I'd do a little opening. It's kind of cool getting parts when you're doing a project like this. And that's where we're at. The box opening, I already started ripping into it because I get excited. Don't mind the dogs bark in the background. I have a Chihuahua and the neighbors have a little rat too that they go back and forth. Anyways, another thing for the 82, I figured I'd share it. I already ripped this open. I don't know why he put a bag over a box, but he did. I've been pretty excited to get this one in the mail because in my opinion I got a smoking deal on it. Kind of weird way to ship them, especially since he charged me out the butthole for shipping. And there they are. Original valve covers for an 82. What I like about them is they still have the sticker, which is pretty dang rare. So I think this one, yep, this one has it too. A little scuff on it, but better than no sticker. So now we got the original valve covers, and my buddy's gonna give me those original fog lights. We have the cracked ones, but he's gonna give me the set. So now we have a complete car when you buy a project car like this, project cars are like people. You don't know if they're all there. You kind of figure it out as you go. So, little box opening, and yeah, I'm gonna shine these up. It's the most fun part. So now you've seen what I was talking about in the intro about jumping around a lot, but it's still good content. So I hope you liked the video, and the next video will be better. Is about a Ford car show that's probably gonna get uploaded either tonight with this video or the next day. So double videos, quick, right out at the same time. And hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, maybe share to your buddy, and see you on the next one.